Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain the Betterment option in CAP rounds. First, understand that Betterment allows you to seek an improved college or course allocation after an initial CAP round. This process is designed to give you a chance to secure a more preferred choice if available. It's a valuable opportunity to refine your admission outcome, ensuring you are satisfied with your final selection. We will walk through each step clearly. To begin the Betterment process, you must first accept the seat allocated to you in the current CAP round. This acceptance is crucial as it secures your initial position. Next, you need to explicitly indicate your desire for Betterment, signaling that you wish to be considered for better options in upcoming rounds. Finally, actively participate in the subsequent CAP rounds, as new allocations will be made based on availability and your preferences. It's important to remember that your initially accepted seat remains secure throughout the Betterment process. You will not lose your current allocation unless you are offered and accept a new, better option. If a new allocation is made and you choose to accept it, that new seat will replace your previous one. Always review all available options thoroughly before making a final decision, considering all factors carefully. Once you are satisfied with an allocation, or if no further betterment is possible, it's time to confirm your final college choice. Proceed to complete all necessary admission formalities at the allocated institution within the specified timeframe. This includes submitting documents and paying fees to secure your enrollment. Remember to check the description below for a link to these fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Congratulations on navigating the CAP round process and securing your spot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.